Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing what all products I got from Nykaa Pink Love sale. So basically this video is going to be about Nykaa Pink Love sale haul. So I haven't gone too heavy with shopping on Nykaa. I have just bought the essentials that I needed or the products I wanted to try or something that I needed to restock. So without any further ado, let's get started with Nykaa Pink Love sale haul. Starting up with very first product that I really needed. I was out of stock for that product. It's Insight Primer. If you guys who watch my videos, you guys definitely know I am crazy about this primer. This is not only me, actually the whole internet is crazy about this particular primer. This is such an affordable yet good primer. Insight is really nailing in this category. So this is Insight 3-in-1 primer, protects and moisturizes, long lasting, it's oil free. Again, such a nice product. If you are a beginner at makeup and you want to get a good primer in affordable range, definitely consider getting this one. This is a really nice product and I will make sure to link down all the products that I'm going to be showing in this video. So do not worry about this. If you want to get any of these products, you can definitely check the description box. You will get all the links below and you can shop directly. Moving on to the next product, it's again a primer. It's from Mars. It's Glow Clog Gripping Primer. So I really wanted to try a gripping primer. Elf was in high-end category, but I wanted to try this one. This also does a really good job. I have been seeing on internet, so I really needed to try this. So this is a gripping formula, but this one is pore minimizing formula. So both does different jobs, so you can shop accordingly. If you want pore minimizer, you can go for Insight one, and if you want a gripping primer, so you can go for this Mars one. Okay, so if you guys want me to review this product, please make sure to comment down below. I will definitely make a video on that as well. Okay, so the basic difference between these two products is that this Insight one, earlier the packaging used to say pore minimizing primer. I think the packaging has changed, that's why it's not written here, but this is useful if you have enlarged pores, you want to blur your pores, don't want them to look really enhanced on camera, so you can go for this one. Again, this is an affordable category. It is in affordable category. This will work really nice. Really, I will show you. I have used this in many video of mine. You can check other videos, so you can see the difference this makes. The way it is shining right now, if I apply it, it will really smoothen and blur the skin. So you can get this one if you want a pore minimizing formula, and you can get this one. This is gripping primer. So what gripping primer does is that it holds your makeup on place for a long time. So if you want your makeup to stay on place, if it slips away, so you can get gripping primer. Either this one or Elf one is also really trending, but it is on high end, so I thought why not, let's try firstly this Mars one, because this is also showing really like gripping formula. After applying this primer on face, people are literally like sticking the tube on their face to prove how gripping formula works of this one. So I will also try to make a video on this if possible, and also you guys comment down below. That will motivate me more to make such videos. Okay, moving on to the next product. Again, the internet is crazy about this product. I have been seeing here and there a lot of influencers, content creators using this one. So this is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. So this is the product. Again, I will link all the products down below, so make sure to check them. Okay, earlier I was using LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer. So that one was really good. So I almost finished 2 tubes of that one. So I really wanted to try a new one to experiment more. So I saw a lot of influencers and content creators using this one. So I really wanted to get my hands on this one. So I have got this. Now we'll try and see how this one works. This one is really good if you want to conceal your under eyes first and then go on with highlighting concealer. So this works wonder. I've heard this, I really wanted to try this. We'll try and review this. Okay, moving on to the next product. It's from PAC. It's Lash Fixer Eyelash Adhesive. So basically it's lash glue from PAC. I have been seeing makeup artists use this, and I also really wanted to get this one, but this is a little expensive as compared to the basic ones that you get, but this I have heard does really good job. So if you guys want to get a nice eyelash glue, you should definitely invest in this one. Again, you can find the link in the description for this one. Okay, moving on to the next product. It's a restock. So it's Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm. You guys might be seeing this product in almost all of my videos because I'm crazy about this. This is such a nice lip balm in affordable category. You might get it in high end, but this is such a nice product. It's my third or fourth bottle, I guess. So clearly you guys can see I have started using it this winter, and now again this is third or fourth bottle, so you guys can see I really love this product. So if you're looking for a good lip balm, definitely consider getting this one. This also has SPF, so your lips are protected really well. So moving on to the next product. The whole internet content creators have been advertising about this product, and also some have given genuine reviews about this one. By now you might have guessed it what it is. It's from L'Oreal. It's L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. How can we not get this product? This claims that it sets your makeup on place within 3 seconds and it holds up to 36 hours. It means it says 36-hour no transfer. So I really wanted a nice setting spray that keep my makeup on place for a long time, because I have oily skin, the makeup oxidizes, and so I really wanted to get my hands on this one. I was expecting the bottle to be a little bigger, but it's fine. It's 75 ml. So let's see if it is actually that good as much as all the people are being crazy about it. Also, I have seen this product in so many makeup artist vanity, so it might be super good. I will definitely try to review it again. If you want me to review any specific product, please feel free to comment down below. I will definitely make a specific video on that. And if you haven't subscribed to me already, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay, moving on to the next product. So basically I have got a lot of makeup remover products. So since we apply makeup, we definitely need a lot of removing products also. So firstly I have got these two wipes. Firstly, it is from Lactocalamine. It was trending on #1 on Nykaa, so I thought why not, let's try this one. And the Mars one, this is so good. Okay, so this one costed me around 99 rupees, and this one as well around same. It's pretty affordable. So if you're also looking for wipes, makeup removing wipes, or even for regular purpose, you want to just wipe your skin from dust, you can definitely get good wipes. Okay, so this one claims, Lactocalamine one claims oil control wipes, neem with aloe vera and vitamin 3B, cleanses and mattifies. So this was trending #1 in wipes, so I thought why not, let's give it a shot. And this Mars one, basically I have got this one because of its packaging, because in this kind of wipes, once we open, the other wipes dries out really quick, but this one comes with a certain packaging. It has this window thing or door thing, whatever you call it. You open it, take out the wipe, and then close it, so your wipes stay safe even for a really long time. It doesn't dries out. So this is a really nice product. These are of the same range, so this makes no difference, and also this does really good job. So if you're looking for a nice makeup wipes with good packaging so that the rest of the product doesn't get dried out, so definitely consider getting this one. I would definitely highly recommend. Moving on to the next product. Again, I was out of stock for my makeup remover, so I've got, again, this is a restock. It's from Garnier Skin Natural Micellar Cleansing Water in Oil. So this is really good. This comes in 2 variants, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So one doesn't remove your waterproof makeup, this one removes your waterproof makeup. So the one that doesn't remove waterproof makeup is still lying. That is of little less use of me, so I have completely emptied 1 bottle of this one. This is the restock. So since mascara and all those things are waterproof, and some lipsticks as well, so I really needed the restock of this one. Since this is a restock, I also wanted to try the Bioderma one. This is Bioderma Micellar Water Makeup Remover for sensitive skin, face and eyes. So this is how the product comes. Again, this is a little on high end, so if you are tight on your budget, you can go for this one, and if you don't have any foundation for your budget, you can try this one. Also, this is my first time trying on this one. I really wanted to try this one since a really long time because my skin is acne prone, oily, sensitive, combination of all the good things that can be. So this is really good for all those type of skin, so I really wanted to give it a shot. If it works like a wonder, I'm gonna be skipping on restocking this one, and I will definitely restock this again and again. Okay, so that was all the products that I got from my money, but I have also received a few products as freebie. The very first one is this one, L'Oreal Paris Absolute Repair Protein Plus Omega 9. So basically this is a hair mask. A lot of people suggested me to use this one. As the Nykaa gave me as freebie, I became really happy. Thank you Nykaa for sending me this as a freebie. And also I have got this perfume. As you guys can see, half of the product is already emptied because as the product came, nobody stopped. Everyone was trying how the smell is, but I personally was not happy with how this smell. Actually, it is a luxury perfume. It's from Lancome. I don't know which one, Idol Par, I don't know which one. I personally didn't like the smell of this one. It was causing me some headache, so I just put a drop here and it stayed for so long. So if you're looking for such type of perfume, you can go for this one. It's coconutty, very nutty fragrance. I don't know why it was causing me headache, but my mother really liked it. She used it once or twice, I guess, as the product came. So yeah, she liked it. So if you're also that kind of person, you can check the bigger bottle of this one. This was a freebie definitely. Okay, so these were all the products that I got during Nykaa Pink Love sale. So this was it about my Nykaa Pink Love sale haul. So let me know what are products you got during this sale, or what are products you want to get but still you're contemplating whether I should get it or not. If it is among these products, make sure to comment down below if you want me to review any one specific product. I will definitely make a video on that, and let me know in the comments down below how you like this video. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below and share this video with your friends, family or whoever would love to watch this kind of video. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.